Hello friends, welcome to my channel with this new Power BI learning video. So today we will discuss the format function, how to use the format function in Power BI. So let's begin. Let's go to the Power BI desktop. So here you can see this is the table I already have input, and so in this table we see we have sales and we have order date. So suppose I want to know what is the total sale in weekdays or in weekend. So we just have a order date. To have the sales as per weekday or weekend, we first want to know what are these days. Are these Monday, Tuesday, or Saturday, Sunday? So for that, what we will do, we will create a new column. So we will create a new column. Let us name it as day name, and here we will now use the format function. So we use format. What we want to format is the date. So date is in order transaction table. So transaction table order date. So now we want to know the day, whether it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I will simply insert 3 times d, so it will give me the day name. So I will simply enter. Now if you see under the day name column, we have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So now, as we have the day name, we want to know what is the day type, whether it is a weekday or it is a weekend. So again we will have a new column, and now let us name it as a day type. So here we will use the if function. If the day name in the transaction table is equal to Saturday, or, so for or we can use the semicolon twice also, or day name is equal to Sunday. If it's Saturday or Sunday, what we will say it as a weekend. Else, if it is not a Saturday, Sunday, then it is weekday. Let us see if we get the day type. So now you can see this Saturday is showing as a weekend, Sunday is showing as a weekend, and other are showing as a weekday. So let us see this data into visualization, how it looks. So we have those data into our transaction table. So let us pull a bar chart, and um, let us drag this order type, not order type, the day type. Yes, so day type, and let us have the sales in the values. So if you see, let me since so now here if you see the we have the values both. so we do not want this. So now if you see, we have the values for weekday as well as weekend. So if you hover it on weekday, you will see it has this much of sales, and for weekend it has this much of sales. So this is how we use the format and if function combined. This is very useful in Power BI. I hope you like this video, so keep learning, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. And in the end of the video, I will put the link for the Excel sheet where you can practice. Thank you. Have a good day.